Self-lender features, strengths, weaknesses. Self-lender is a credit builder loan designed for individuals with thin or damaged credit files. Its core feature is a secured loan where you make monthly payments, and Self-lender reports those payments to the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The amount you borrow, typically ranging from $25 to $200 a month with loan terms from 12 to 24 months, is held in a certificate of deposit (CD) account at a partner bank. You don't receive the funds upfront. Instead, you receive the principal minus interest and fees after you've made all scheduled payments. This differs substantially from a traditional loan. Key strengths lie in its accessibility for those denied traditional credit, the automated reporting to credit bureaus which directly impacts credit score improvement, and the enforced savings component. You are essentially building savings while building credit. Self-lender is particularly well suited for students, young adults starting their credit journey, and individuals with past credit missteps seeking to rebuild. However, weaknesses are also present. The interest rates can be high compared to traditional loans, sometimes exceeding 15% depending on the loan term and amount, making it a relatively expensive way to build credit. The inaccessibility of the borrowed funds during the loan term can be a disadvantage for those needing immediate capital. Furthermore, while it builds credit, it doesn't directly improve your debt-to-income ratio, and responsible credit card use often yields faster credit improvements. There are also monthly administrative fees ranging from $0 to $12. Ultimately, Self-lender can be a viable option for building or rebuilding credit, especially if you lack other alternatives and struggle with saving. But carefully consider the high interest rates and the delayed access to the loan principal. Explore alternative credit building tools like secured credit cards or becoming an authorized user on a responsible friend or family member's account. Compare the costs and benefits of each option to determine the most cost-effective and suitable approach for your individual financial situation. Weigh the pros and cons. Enforce savings and credit building versus high interest and delayed gratification. Informed decision-making is key to successfully navigating the credit landscape.